CCMA case study quiz questions. Question 1. Which tube is drawn first in standard order of draw? Option A gray stopper, Option B green speckle, Option C lavender, Option D red speckle. The correct answer is Option D, red speckle. In the standard order of draw for blood collection, the red speckle tube is the first to be drawn. Question 2. Which of the following is an expected finding for a patient who has hyperglycemia? Option A sour to 87%, Option B heart rate 62 per minute, Option C blood glucose 187 mg per deciliter, Option D respiratory rate 14 per minute. The correct answer is Option C, blood glucose 187 mg per deciliter. Blood glucose 187 mg per deciliter. Hyperglycemia is characterized by elevated blood glucose levels typically above 130 mg per deciliter in a fasting state. Question 3. Which control substance schedule shows low viro moderate physical dependence? Option A Schedule I, Option B 2, Option C 3, Option D 4. The correct answer is Option C 3. Schedule 3 substances are classified as having a lower potential for abuse compared to Schedules I and II, and they are associated with moderate physical dependence. Question 4. When a patient expresses discomfort, the MA should: Option A stay non-judgmental, Option B avoid eye contact, Option C lean away, Option D provide distractions. The correct answer is Option A, stay non-judgmental. Stay non-judgmental is correct because maintaining a non-judgmental stance is crucial for creating a safe environment for patients to express their discomfort. Question 5. Which item is essential for suture removal? Option A needle holder and 18G needle, Option B 4x4 benzalkonium wipes, Option C sterile thumb dressing forceps, Option D 1 ml syringe. The correct answer is Option C, sterile thumb dressing forceps. Sterile thumb dressing forceps is correct. These forceps allow for a precise grip on the suture material, enabling the clinician to safely and effectively remove stitches without causing trauma to the surrounding tissue. Question 6. During a first virtual visit, the patient cannot hear the provider. What should the MA advise? Option A check your speakers, Option B check your microphone, Option C check your Wi-Fi, Option D check your camera. The correct answer is Option A, check your speakers. Check your speakers is correct. The medical assistant should advise the patient to check their speakers to resolve the issue of not being able to hear the provider during a virtual visit. Question 7. A medical assistant is submitting an urgent referral request to an insurance company for authorization. Which of the following describes how long the authorization process will take? Option A 24 hours, Option B 3 working days, Option C immediate approval via phone, Option D 10 days. The correct answer is Option A, 24 hours. Authorization requests typically take 24 hours for urgent referrals. Question 8. During care transition, the MA should: Option A order labs, Option B edit insurance, Option C assign treatment plan, Option D document discharge date. The correct answer is Option D, document discharge date. Document discharge date is correct because proper documentation of the discharge date is crucial during care transitions to ensure that all healthcare providers have accurate and timely information regarding a patient. Question 9. Expected finding in hyperglycemia. Option A sour to 87%, Option B HR 62 per minute, Option C glucose 187 mg per deciliter, Option D ARA 14 per minute. The correct answer is Option C, glucose 187 mg per deciliter. Glucose 187 mg per deciliter is correct because in cases of hyperglycemia, elevated blood glucose levels are the hallmark finding. Question 10. Which urine specimen is needed to diagnose a UTI? Option A, second voided, Option B 2-H postprandial, Option C 24-H collection, Option D clean catch midstream. The correct answer is Option D, clean catch midstream. A clean catch midstream urine specimen minimizes contamination from the urethra and surrounding areas, providing a more accurate representation of the urine composition. Question 11. Which of the following cellular structures produces energy as the cell's power plant? Option A, nucleus. Option B, mitochondrion. Option C, lysosomes. Option D, cytoplasm. The correct answer is option B, mitochondrion. Mitochondrion produces energy as the cell's power plant. Question 12. Which of the following information is included in a computerized provider order entry? Option A, diagnostic tests. Option B, problem-oriented list. Option C, next of kin. Option D, follow-up appointment date. The correct answer is option A, diagnostic tests. Diagnostic tests are included in a computerized provider order entry. Question 13. Side effects of bupropion are listed in which resource? Option A, ICD-10-CM. Option B, USP. Option C, PDR. Option D, AHAL. The correct answer is option C, PDR. The Physician's Desk Reference PDR is a comprehensive resource providing detailed information on prescription medications including side effects, dosages, and drug interactions. Question 14. For follow-up after urgent care, the MA should: Option A, retrieve urgent care notes. Option B, ask patient for summary. Option C, proceed as scheduled. Option D, have new demo form. The correct answer is option A, retrieve urgent care notes. Retrieve urgent care notes is correct because accessing the urgent care notes is essential for the medical assistant MA to ensure continuity of care and to have a comprehensive understanding of the patient's recent. Question 15. For a patient below poverty line with chronic asthma, which factor most affects compliance? Option A, intellectual. Option B, economic. Option C, sociocultural. Option D, spiritual. The correct answer is option B, economic. Economic constraints significantly impact a patient's ability to access medications, follow treatment plans. Question 16. While collecting subjective information, a medical assistant asks if the patient consumes alcoholic beverages. Which of the following terms reflects this documentation process? Option A, review of systems. Option B, social history. Option C, family history. Option D, personal data. The correct answer is option B, social history. Social history reflects the documentation process of collecting information about a patient's consumption of alcoholic beverages. Question 17. When removing sutures, option A, sterile hand scrub. Option B, lift knot toward wound. Option C, cut in middle. Option D, clean with disinfectant. The correct answer is option B, lift knot toward wound. Lift knot toward wound is correct because when removing sutures, it is essential to lift the knot toward the wound to ensure that the suture is released properly without causing additional trauma to the surrounding tissue. Question 18. When inspecting urine, note which characteristic first? Option A, sediment. Option B, color. Option C, casts. Option D, viscosity. The correct answer is option B, color. The color of urine provides immediate insight into hydration status and potential underlying health issues. Question 19. Before a telehealth screening, send the patient. Option A, tech requirements. Option B, diet menus. Option C, exercise plan. Option D, invoice. The correct answer is option A, tech requirements. Ensuring that patients receive the necessary tech requirements prior to a telehealth screening is crucial for a smooth and effective consultation. Question 20. Which condition is grounds for rejecting a urine specimen for routine urinalysis? Option A, volume 6 ml. Option B, temp 23 degrees Celsius. Option C, container lacks preservative. Option D, amber and turbid. The correct answer is option C, container lacks preservative. Container lacks preservative is correct. A urine specimen that lacks a preservative cannot maintain the integrity of the sample, leading to potential degradation and inaccurate analysis results. Question 21. Which of the following actions should a medical assistant take to demonstrate empathy when interacting with a patient who was recently diagnosed with breast cancer? Option A, listen to the patient. Option B, reassure the patient. Option C, offer advice to the patient. Option D, question the patient. The correct answer is option A. Listen to the patient. Listen to the patient. Demonstrating empathy involves actively listening to a patient's concerns and feelings, especially in sensitive situations like a recent cancer diagnosis. Question 22. Fatigue weight gain thinning hair suggest which lab test? Option A, electrolyte panel. Option B, TSH. Option C, urinalysis. Option D, blood culture. The correct answer is option B, TSH. A thyroid-stimulating hormone TSH test is commonly used to evaluate thyroid function, and abnormal levels can lead to symptoms such as fatigue, weight gain and thinning. Question 23. Missing medications during inventory should be reported to. Option A, drug rep. Option B, FDA. Option C, office manager. Option D, joint commission. The correct answer is option C, office manager. Office manager is correct because reporting missing medications is critical for maintaining hospital safety and compliance, and the office manager is typically responsible for overseeing medication management. Question 24. Which organelle is the cell's power plant? Option A, nucleus. Option B, mitochondrion. Option C, lysosomes. Option D, cytoplasm. The correct answer is option B, mitochondrion. The mitochondrion is often referred to as the cell's power plant because it is responsible for producing adenosine triphosphate. Question 25. The schedule shows NS for several yesterday appointments. What does NS mean? Option A, new surgical. Option B, normal scheduling. Option C, means supervision. Option D, no-show. The correct answer is option D, no-show. No-show is correct. The abbreviation NS in the context of appointments typically indicates that a patient did not show up for their scheduled visit.